So you filed your Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and your lawyer has sent you this letter or this form that says there's a meeting of the creditors. Sometimes this is called a Section 341 hearing or meeting. So what in the world is this? Well, it's a meeting at the bankruptcy court with not normally the judge, but instead the trustee. Trustee is a lawyer hired by the court to do information gathering. Figure out all your assets, figure out all your liabilities, look at those and see, is there something we can do to pay off these debts? And so normally there'll be a room, and there may be 20, 30 other people that have filed bankruptcy, and there'll be lawyers there. And when your name is called, you go up to the podium and your lawyer goes with you. And normally the trustee will say, state your name, what's your address, do you have any other property or assets besides what you put in your bankruptcy papers? And you just answer truthfully. And then the trustee may say, well, are you expecting any type of inheritance or life insurance money coming in? Testify truthfully. And then usually a trustee will say, well, are there any lawsuits that you have or you could have? In other words, somebody has hurt you or they broke an agreement and you have the ability to sue. We need to tell the trustee about that. Now really, all of this should be in the papers, in the bankruptcy petition. But maybe you left something out, now you remember it. This is the time to set everything correctly. Let the trustee know exactly what you have. And then usually a trustee will say, okay, are there any creditors here that want to ask a question? Now, even though this is called the meeting of creditors, very, very rare that a creditor shows up. Normally, unless there's something unusual, you're going to be in and out of there in like 2 minutes. Now, you may wait 30 minutes or longer for your name to be called, but the actual time you're up at the podium talking with the trustee is normally just a couple of minutes. And you say, yes, this is my name. Yes, this is my address. No, there's no other property that I have. No, there's no other lawsuits other than what I put in there. And so normally these things go very quickly. So my suggestion to you is definitely meet with your bankruptcy attorney. Now some bankruptcy attorneys have their clients meet them there, and that can work, I suppose. We prefer for our clients to come to our office. We meet, we go over, here's exactly what's going to happen. Let's go back over the bankruptcy papers. Is there anything unusual, anything that now you remember that you forgot before? And then we walk over to the bankruptcy court, kind of sit there, look around, experience it so you see the pattern. Okay, person goes up, name, address, any other property, inheritance, any lawsuits. And then that tends to make you more comfortable so that when you get up there, you're not nervous because you know what to expect. So I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions about this, definitely get with your lawyer, or if we represent you, ask us. Or if you don't have a lawyer, you're welcome to talk to us. And while we cannot give you legal advice, be glad to give you some general thoughts about this. So you can do that by calling us at 205-879-2447. Or you can contact us through our primary consumer website, and that is alabamaconsumer.com. Thank you.